Hey, I'm Ryan with Wonder Discovers, and today I'm going to show you how I made a smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. Just using a couple different items you can get on Amazon or on something like Alibaba for super cheap. For less than like $25, I was able to make this small module. Basically has a D1 mini, a relay shield, and some wire, and a magnetic switch, which basically gives you all the abilities to detect if your garage door is open and the ability to trigger your garage door motor to then open the garage door. So I'm just going to show you what I have here for the garage door opener. On the bottom, I have a D1 mini, which is basically a Wi-Fi small ESP8266 that you can power via micro USB. And then connected to this, I soldered two headers, one on each side, which connect to this relay, which will trigger the garage door opening. So basically what happens is this end will trigger, like pressing the button to trigger the garage door to open, which the D1 mini can tell the relay to combine these two wires together so that the garage door can open. These two wires are soldered to D7 and ground, and these go to a long cable, which I'll show you when I get it hooked up. And these are soldered together to a magnetic, I think it's a reed connector. This will be on the garage door, and this will be static. And then once these are separated, it'll be able to detect if it's open or if it's closed. And so this tiny little thing can be basically a Wi-Fi controlled garage door opener and sensor. So I just put the D1 mini into this project box, which is just like a weatherproof box, which is no longer weatherproof because I drilled two holes in it. But you can see here that I mounted it with some glue at the bottom, and then the micro USB cable is powering it right now. And then this side will be the trigger for the garage door, and this side will be the sensor for detecting whether or not the door is open. And then I'll just mount this up in the garage. So I got this all hooked up now. I got the project box mounted onto the wood. You can see the USB and trigger cables come out here, and the trigger cables go into the back of the garage door opener where the button also goes in. Then we got the power coming from here from the micro USB, and then the detector goes all the way over here. And so I have it detecting whether or not this slide is closed. I might have to screw that into the wood at the top. We'll see how that holds, but it goes all the way back to the D1 and tells me if it's closed or not. So now I got the Wi-Fi module hooked up to the Wi-Fi, also Alexa. So now I can say, Alexa, open garage door. Okay. And it'll open the garage door. And then I can say, Alexa, close garage door. Okay. Then it'll close the garage door. Alternatively, it's just a Wi-Fi switch, so I have it hooked up through Home Assistant. So I can use it through my phone, on my computer, or I can hook it up through Alexa like that. So super helpful, super cheap. So I hope that was helpful in demonstrating how to put together a D1 mini for a Wi-Fi garage door opener. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.